Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to show you pretty quickly how to add a location to your Shopify store. So bottom left corner, you need to press on settings right here, and from this point on we need to search for location section right here, so you can check it out. All locations available using one of two active locations available on your plan. If you purchase more expensive plan, you will have more locations slots available. So right here we can see there is a default location here, but what we need to do is to add another location that is available to us. So first thing first, we need to add, for example, right here, location name. It can be whatever you want to do. For example, right here it stands Paris warehouse, but why not? Here we can just put anything as a name, guys. Of course, you need to put your name of your warehouse here, and this is a tricky part, address. So you need to press on address right here, country and region. For example, why not something, let's find something here interesting, guys, some interesting country, United Kingdom. Here is the address, apartment suite, city, postcode, and here you can see your phone. Once you've done with that, you need to verify it with your phone, of course, and that's basically it. Press on save and you're good to go.